Hey Patreon supporters, I wanted to give you a quick video update right here at the beginning of Earth 2022 because I've been working on this project. I haven't told anybody about it. I've been doing it for months now, but this is a completely functioning CandyClaw machine. It is scratch built, running Marlin, and hopefully it's a lot of fun here for Earth. Let's check it out. So we'll run through a process. So we hit the start button to start a claw machine. This does run Marlin natively. It is scratch built. And then all you gotta do is claw. It is 4 NEMA 17s. I tried to keep it as close to a 3D printer as possible. And like most claw machines, you almost never get anything, but it's still fun to try. It does run ramps. This is a completely analog joystick. So I tried to keep it pretty old school. When the cycle's over, comes back, dumps off whatever you might have won. And that is the Chris's Basement CandyClaw.